Hey there, and welcome to Lumen IQ Training and Consultancy, where we turn the blah into brilliance. Today, we're diving into project governance the APM PMQ way. Imagine a world where projects run without clear rules, no decision-making authority, and zero accountability. Sounds like a disaster, right? That's why we have project governance, the framework that ensures projects align with organizational objectives and run efficiently. In this video, we'll explore types of organizational structures, functional, matrix, and project, key project management roles and responsibilities, why governance matters in projects and financial control, and how governance links projects to business goals. Let's dive in. According to APM, governance is the framework of authority and accountability that defines and controls the outputs, outcomes, and benefits from projects, programs, and portfolios. Think of it as the rules of the road. It tells us who is in charge, what policies must be followed, and how success is measured. We will now consider three different organizational structures: functional, matrix, and project. A functional organization is a permanent structure where project work is carried out within existing functional divisions, with limited project-specific governance. In a functional organization, departments like HR, finance, and IT work separately. Projects are managed within these functions, and project managers have limited authority. Individuals take instruction from a line manager only, and as a result, communication is simple. Allocated tasks will match an individual's capability, so they may be more repetitive and less varied. The key features are 1. Clear hierarchy. 2. Team members stay within their departments. And 3. The functional manager has full control, whilst the project manager has less control. It works well for routine projects but can slow down decision-making. A matrix organization blends both functional and project-based structures. Project managers share authority with department heads, leading to collaboration but potential conflicts. APM defines matrix organization as a temporary structure where individuals report to both a functional manager and a project manager, balancing operational and project needs. Individuals may take instruction from a line manager and the project manager, making communication more complicated. It provides a mix of skilled resources on a temporary basis to the project. Typically, a temporary structure will provide more varied work to allow completion of the project. The key features are: 1. Matrix organization offers a mix of structure and flexibility. 2. Here, project managers have more authority, which is a big plus. 3. It also encourages collaboration across various functions. This setup is fantastic for multifunctional projects, but it can be a bit tricky to manage. In a project organization, teams are formed solely for a project, with the project manager having full control. APM defines it as a temporary structure where the project team operates independently, with direct governance focused on project delivery. Individuals take instruction from the project manager only, making the communication method quite simple. The key features of a project organization include: 1. Full project focus. 2. Project managers have complete control. And 3. This structure is ideal for large, high-priority projects. But once the project ends, the team disbands. Key players in governance: users, the people who will identify project requirements, define acceptance criteria, and use the project's outcomes. Project team members, the specialists executing project tasks, reporting on progress of achievement, producing the plan, and reporting on changes. Project manager oversees daily execution and delivery, communicates with stakeholders, leads and motivates a team, and develops the project management plan. Project Steering Group Board provides direction in line with the business strategic aims and decision-making, authorizing the business case and funding release. They are also involved in issues resolution. Product owner defines project requirements and priorities, acting as an intermediary between stakeholders and the project team, and found in the iterative and hybrid life cycles. They lead on product development and accept delivery of the scope. Project sponsor owns the business case, ensuring project alignment, communicates the vision, and secures funding for the project, decides on escalated issues, and makes decisions on change requests. They also support the project manager on a day-to-day basis. Each role has specific responsibilities. The project manager focuses on execution, while the project sponsor ensures alignment with business objectives. Project managers keep the project moving, while sponsors ensure it meets business goals. Why does project governance matter? Good governance ensures projects follow the right policies, regulations, and processes while maintaining clear accountability. Without governance, projects can spiral out of control, costs rise, deadlines slip, and accountability vanishes. How is governance used? First, it defines who approves decisions. Second, ensures compliance with financial authority limits. And third, aligns project stages with governance checkpoints. Projects shouldn't exist in a vacuum. They must align with an organization's strategic objectives. Projects, programs, and portfolios are introduced to enhance performance, bring about change, and enable organizations to adapt, improve, and grow. Good governance ensures projects contribute to business growth, resources are used effectively, and stakeholders stay engaged. The best projects are strategically aligned and drive real business value. So, to wrap up, governance equals authority plus accountability. Different structures affect governance differently. Clear roles prevent confusion and improve efficiency. Governance keeps projects on track and aligned with business goals. Did this video help you understand governance? Hit like and subscribe for more APM insights. What governance structure does your organization use? Drop a comment below.